Hey guys, what's up? It's Muaaz here and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing some mobile apps that I think every YouTuber should have on their phone, no matter what their channel size is. If you guys end up enjoying the video, please do hit that like button, but anyways, let's get started with the video. So number one is obviously going to be the Creator Studio app, and this is an app that I can promise you all of your favorite YouTubers probably have on their phone, and it's probably one of their most used apps as well. And the cool thing about this app is that it actually lets you go through your YouTube analytics from your phone instead of your computer to see how your videos are performing, how many subs you've gained, respond to comments, and so much more. If you've seen any of my other videos, then you know how much I talk about the importance of studying your analytics every day. You can actually see in your analytics what time most people actually click off your video, and a bunch of other information too, and you can use that information to make your next video even better, and then so on and so forth. So having this app on your phone at all times is a great way to keep up to date with how your videos are performing and things like that without needing a computer or a laptop. For number two, we actually have Google Keep, and this is a productivity app that I really like to use. It's a great way to keep notes and lists of everything that you need to get accomplished. I personally use it to jot down things like video ideas, things I want to do for my day, and I think you get the point. Like for example, if I have an email that I need to respond to before maybe 7 o'clock or something, but I'm a bit too busy right now, I'll make a note of it in that app, and then I'll set a reminder to get back to it before 7 o'clock, if that makes sense. So it's just a great overall productivity app that you guys should definitely check out. If I need to finish things for a video like a thumbnail or the script itself, or even just coming up with a good video title, those are all things that I'll definitely make note of in the app. Personally though, I really do like to make a list of important tasks in a physical notebook because sometimes, I'm gonna be honest, when I open up my phone to take notes, I need to make a video idea, come up with a thumbnail or whatever, right? I'll easily get distracted and end up on YouTube or Twitter or Instagram or whatever, right? And I 90% of the time I forget why I even got on my phone in the first place. So that's just an issue with me. It might be an issue with you too, but that's why I like to keep a physical notebook for really important tasks, but everything else is just throw on my phone. But anyways, like I said before, if you guys are looking for a productivity app, this is definitely the best one to get right now. It's made by Google and it is free, so definitely check it out. But anyways, let's move on to number three. And for number three, we actually have KindMaster, and this is a full-featured video editing software that you can actually have on both Android and iOS. It has all the tools that you would find on a normal video editing software on your computer or a laptop, but it's all on your phone. This is great for things like if you need to edit on the go, or if you record vlogs directly from your phone. I know a ton of YouTubers who do that, and this makes the editing process so much easier. KindMaster is honestly a great free video editing software, and if you guys do want me to make a full video on it, definitely let me know in the comments below. But there is things like trimming, cropping, adding color corrections, even adding a green screen and all that good stuff on a mobile app. That's how good this video editing software is, and I don't know how they made this app so awesome, but it's definitely worth checking out. Moving on to number four, we have probably one of the best photo manipulation softwares that I've seen on mobile, and it's actually made by Google, and it's called Snapseed. If you don't have things like Photoshop and all those expensive programs, this app is definitely the move because you can make your pictures pop if you need them for something in your video or on your thumbnail or really anything. You can play around with so many effects like brightness, saturation, white balance, color correction, and so much more. And like I said before, I personally think this is probably the best photo manipulation app available on mobile, and I have no idea how it's free. I literally don't know why they're not charging people for it, and just because I'm saying that, I definitely think you guys should check it out because I'm vouching pretty heavily for it. It's a really good app and it's free. I don't know why it's free though, so definitely check it out. Actually, every app that I mentioned today has been free, so I don't know, but this one is definitely one you guys need to check out. It's really easy to use and it can up the quality of your photos, your thumbnails, your Instagram pictures, your Twitter pictures, your YouTube community posts, and all that good stuff by a ton. As long as you put the time into it and try to actually learn how you can use it, you're gonna see a massive increase in your quality. If you guys do want a part 2 for this list, definitely let me know because I have so many more apps that I didn't even mention in this video, but I'm only gonna do that if you guys ask me for it, so definitely comment below. If you enjoy the apps that I mentioned, please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new to it. And if you're feeling generous, maybe even turn on my post notifications. It really does mean a lot to me whenever you guys do that. Also, the comment question for this video is what phone do you have? And please don't start a phone war in the comment section below. I really don't care about all that. I just want to know, what phone do you have? I personally have an iPhone XS, but I'm curious what you guys are rocking with right now too. Do you have a Razr flip phone or something? What do you got? Let me know in the comment section below. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please drop a like if you did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.